Guys, I'll be doing a review and unboxing on Inland Hard Drive Enclosure. I bought this enclosure for like $5 from Micro Center. I might be having a link in the description for you guys to check out. So basically I have opened this box once in the store just to see what I was getting inside. So it's not going to be an actual unboxing, but I'll be showing you everything that comes in the box. So let's open it. Cable. So this is gonna be the enclosure. Okay, it seems like it's open. And these are 3 screws. And I think one is the extra one. They also include the screwdriver, which is great. Let's see what it says on the box. Aluminium casing, supports SSD, plug and play, supports up to 2 terabytes. Okay, so that's good for $5. Let's see what else do they have. Okay, design aluminium case, weight is 70 grams, which is light. Alright, everything else is standard, nothing great. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so it's an aluminium. Let's see, made in China. Looks like it's a good casing. Let's see how to install this. Okay, that's a good fit. Let me grab these cables. So I had a 160 gigabyte hard drive sitting around which I was not using. So maybe I can repurpose that with this case. Maybe I can start backing up my pictures and videos that I have on my laptop. It doesn't wobble or make any kind of noise with that. I'm gonna keep this extra. And it just comes with one cable, so this is gonna transfer the media as well as it's gonna power the enclosure as well, which is good. Before this I had an enclosure which had 2 USB ports. One is going to be for the power and the other one is going to be for the media, but in this one this USB does both, which is great. And I don't think so it's a bad case for $5. And I would be including the link in the description. If you guys need that, please take a look. It should be great.